See, a little sizzle.
About what you want right there, yeah.
Yeah.
It starts to bubble.
Yes. Yeah, see, that it helps in this too. See, that right there is where you gotta watch for the...
Oh, we don't want to do that.
Yeah. So there you go. And throw it on to me. Okay, right in the middle like that is okay.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna roll them in from front to back anyway. So see, now I'm gonna put a little bit of ground meat. Some onion in there.
Yeah.
And then some oregano, some dried oregano. Like a couple big tablespoons. This is 2 pounds of meat here. We're going to make about 2 dozen enchiladas. And I like a little bit of hard-boiled egg when I was growing up. My big families. So my mom used that as filler. Helps grow strong. A couple of little pieces of olive. Cheese. And we're going to do a roll. Just grab it, roll it over softly, try not to tear your tortillas, and they start to stack up in the corner like that. We're ready for the next one. We only got 23 more times to do that.
Hole there.
Yeah.
Started one. Up there.
So a little pinch of meat like that. Roll it out there, nice across. This is raw onion. It just has that middle rolled up. Here's a nice dozen enchiladas. Okay, we have a little bit of product. We did get 2 dozen out of that food, so what we're going to do is we're just going to take this little hard-boiled egg and press these up a little bit. See, you're not throwing it away, you're putting it on your more protein. Okay, sprinkle a little bit of onion. I got a lot of olives left here, so we'll put some here. These are rolled for 1 person serving, 2 at a time. Far enough apart in the pan so when you cook them, the cheese in that melt and everything, but then you ain't having a problem getting them apart. So looks better when you serve and they're not ripped up.
So you've got them paired together already, so you can just take 2 off real easy and put them on a plate.
Here's our leftover sauce.
That's awesome.
We're going to take a little sauce and we're going to put it over each one of them like that. This will make them nice and juicy when you break them. Man, they're gonna melt in your mouth. You're gonna love me for showing you this recipe.
All right.
Put it that way.
I like the fact that we're not going to have to dig them out of a 9x13 casserole pan.
Yeah.
Where they're covered with cheese and you can't tell where they stop and start.
Then we're gonna get some cheese here. Using all done up. Got some nice grated cheese. This is called Mexican style cheese, finely grated. It's 3 cheeses in one. So then you're just gonna individually nice and keep them up on top. You don't need it all over baked to your pan. Look at that. Already looks delicious.
So it's not going to be swimming in a lake of cheese.
Just the right amount of everything. You saw what we put in there: ground beef, raw onions, hard-boiled egg, olives, and some cheese. So it's nutritious, made out of corn tortillas, so gotta be healthy for you, right? Here's your dairy product.
Yeah.
Oh.
Who doesn't like corn?
Yeah. Here we go. Look at that, huh?
Yeah.
Piece de resistance. Look. Can dinner time.
All right, let's cook them. Let's do these real quick. Look at that. Yeah, that's good.